This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. Let's take a look here at the market, and we can see right now for November 20th, 2019, market's trading a little bit lower at the open here, not too much, but I want to take a look at the actually at the Dow from a smaller time frame. This is going to be on the hourly, and a follow-up to a video I did recently. And here is a trend line on price. A very simple trend line. Obviously, we haven't broken below this trend line, but we have a different look, and that's why I personally prefer to look at the RSI. Right now, the RSI is giving us a slightly different take, because we can see that as far as the hourly is concerned, right now we are seeing that the trend line has been broken as far as the RSI is concerned. So maybe the RSI is giving us an earlier look, or giving us an insight that there's a potential down the road, sooner than later, we are going to have to break this trend line in price. In other words, an earlier signal is being given here and flashed by the RSI breaking this trend line. Now there's another view which would need confirmation, and it is the previous RSI highs line. So let's say if you are trading this on a small time frame and you wait for confirmation, or you want to wait for confirmation, there's a line here connecting previous highs, as we can see, connecting to all these highs. And once the market moved above this area here, we have this movement here in the Dow, and the market hasn't been back to those levels. So what we can do is take that previous RSI topside resistance line and extend it, and you can see this is where the market has come right now. We are trading on the underneath side of this area. In other words, the market's been bouncing on this line for scalping trades, and here we are again now. So the question is the market going to be able to hold the blue line, or are we going to break? We've already seen that the red line has been broken. So in other words, if we go on and break the blue line, even before we see a price breakout, that's going to be confirmation that the trend has been broken in terms of the RSI, and that eventually price is going to reflect this. In other words, what I'm trying to say in this video is, by looking at the RSI, we can see that price can be sometimes delayed in reacting. But if we take a look at the RSI, RSI gives you an earlier indication of what to expect down the road, and can be used for earlier timing entry. And again, in terms of a swing trade, breaking below this blue line is needed to confirm that yes, we are seeing a break in the trend line in the market, and one can play this from a short-term bearish position. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ESS.